subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Moto G9, Moto G9 Plus and Moto G9 Play, the company has now launched another smartphone under the same lineup in the Europe called Moto G9 Power. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G9 Power features a 6.8-inch HD Plus Max Vision display with a tall 20.5:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Moto G9 Power supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a square module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 64MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on stock Android 10 out of the box, and it houses a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 20 watts turbo power charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with a dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 172.1 by 76.8 by 9.7mm and it weighs around 221 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G9 Power has been priced in the Europe at €199 and it will be available for purchase in the country in electric violet and metallic sage color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G9 Power smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.